We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at apartment 428. This is an angle window style apartment. We are on floor 4 of the 6th floor building. Like most of our apartments here in the building, we'll enter through our kitchen, and this one is on the left-hand side. The same kitchens as everywhere else, although in this one you'll notice there's a paper towel holder that's been attached under the cabinets. If somebody leaves one of those in the apartment, we will leave it for the next tenant. However, they're not automatically supplied in the apartment. There's always some room in these kitchens if you'd like a shoe shelf or rack for some extra storage on the kitchen wall. You can bring in your own. There's a closet as we go in. We'll pass by that. So you've got a nice closet space for your hanging items over here. Let's go into the apartment. You can move the furniture around however you like. This one has the dining table over here. We've got the bed over in the middle, the bookshelf, the dresser, the desk and chair. You can see that nice angle window. We'll take a look at that, but let's look in the bathroom first. That's over here on this wall. You can see that's where we came in through the kitchen. So the bathroom. The bathrooms always have that full-size tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and a medicine cabinet over on the wall. Okay, let's go take a look out the window. So we're on the south side of the building. You can see the air conditioner underneath. We've got mini blinds on all the windows. I want to show you there's a heater right over here. That's where the heater comes out. There's a thermostat on the wall. So you want to be able to make sure that your heater is not blocked in the apartments so that your heat flows nicely in the wintertime. So this is the south side of the building. We are away from Dryden Road. This is an angle window. So this space that we see here in front of the window, that's the extra space that you'll have in an angle style apartment. So that's a nice feature, and you also get a lot more light in here. So again, the south side will be definitely the brighter side of the building. You can see College Ave over to the left or the east side. And we can see over to the other side. This is towards the west a little bit. We get some nice sky over that way as well. So that's a look at apartment number 428. An angle style apartment here in Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road. We are located just 1 block from campus here in central Collegetown.